First select your game. Now click on Options. Click on Show in Explorer. Open your Call of Duty Modern Warfare folder. Right-click your build info file. Select Rename. Add .back at the end. Press Enter. Press Yes. Now try to launch your game. Press OK to close the new error. Go back to your Call of Duty folder. Delete the .back at the end. Press Yes. Now launch your game. If that didn't work, go back to your Call of Duty folder. Delete your main folder. Click on Options. Press Scan and Repair. Press Begin Scan. Now wait for your game to be repaired. If that didn't work, first open your Battle.net launcher. Click on Options. Click on Game Settings. Select Additional Command Line Arguments. Type -D3D11. Press Done. Now launch your game. If that didn't work,
this tutorial will teach you how to fix blue screen error, page fault in non-paged area in Windows 10, 8 and 7.
First open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Search for System. Press Enter. Click on System. Click on Advanced Options. Go to the Advanced tab. Go to the Performance section. Click on Settings. Go to the Advanced tab. Go to the Virtual Memory section. Press Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select No Paging File. Press Set. Press Yes. Press OK. Press OK. Close your control panel and restart. If that didn't work, first close your launcher. Open a folder. Go to Documents. Open your Call of Duty folder. Delete your Players folder. Now launch your game. If that didn't work, open GeForce Experience. Click on Drivers. Select if you want an express or custom installation. This will install the drivers for your video card model. Now wait for the drivers to be installed. Restart after it finishes. If that didn't work, click on Options. Click on Show in Explorer. Open your Call of Duty Modern Warfare folder. Right-click your Modern Warfare launcher executable. Click on Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Select Run this program as administrator. Select Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Press Apply and then OK. Now right-click Modern Warfare. Select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Select Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Select Run this program as administrator. Press Apply and then OK. Close the folder and launch your game. If that didn't work, first open your Start menu. Open your settings. Open System. Go to the Display section. Click on Graphics Settings. In Choose an app to set preference, select Classic app. Now click on Browse. Locate your Call of Duty Modern Warfare installation folder. Select your Modern Warfare executable. Click on Options. Select High Performance. Press Save. Close your settings window. If you don't know where your Call of Duty folder is located, select your Call of Duty game. Click on Options. Click on Show in Explorer. In here you'll find the location of your Call of Duty installation folder. Now you can launch your game. If that didn't work, first select your game. Now click on Options. Click on Show in Explorer. Open your Call of Duty Modern Warfare folder. Delete all the files inside this folder except the other folders. Close the folder. Click on Options. Click on Scan and Repair. Click on Begin Scan. Now wait for your launcher to repair your game. You can also undo your GPU overclock, disable your antivirus or disable Riva Tuner RTSS.